you want to get rid of, you want to roll
SAVA.
Right. So to the right, click in that box.
Got it. And then
All right,
close
scroll
position.
down to the bottom, close position. So that first leg should be filled out, right?
It is, correct. Yeah.
Right. So click option above that and click multi-leg.
Okay.
Click the option.
Got it. Okay, I got it.
Click multi-leg.
Got it.
You still got the first leg already pre-filled. So
Correct. Yeah, you got it.
So we're going to go to where it says expiration. This is the new leg you want to roll into.
Okay.
Which is the August 20, right?
Okay, correct. Yeah.
Strike price, you said also 100?
Yeah, let me put the price for 100.
Okay.
Let me, I'm gonna lower the price to 95. Let me lower it to 95. And let's go
So
type.
Okay, price 95.
Okay,
Type, going to be a put.
right, quantity 1.
Right. Size, you're going to buy to open. Excuse me, you're selling to open.
Right, okay, got it, yeah.
Right. Quantity, you're going to put 1 in that box.
Got
Right.
it.
So now you should see that the net quote. You see the credit bid at the bottom, 1140, mid is 1235.
Got it, right.
So go to the market tab and then choose net credit
Got it.
and what price you want.
I'm
to
putting
put in that.
$12.50 in there, okay?
Yeah, so put 1250, and then you want to hit preview first.
Okay, I did that, okay.
Gives you the cost, total proceeds, basically, all that there.
Right.
And then you can submit it. And then you hit submit.
Okay, that's submitted successfully. That's good. Okay,
Right,
that's
so
good.
That's an open order. If you click on the home tab at the top left,
Okay,
that order's open. It's not executed yet. It's still open. You
right.
can always go in there and modify the price. If you hit that cog to the right, the little jagged.
Let me do that once. Let's hit the modify. I'll hit modify. I'm gonna lower it to 1240. So let me change it to 1240. And then I just hit modify again. And that was placed at 1240 now, okay?
I see that. You already did the 12, so let's replace that 1240.
$8. Yeah, let's roll SRNE.
So do the same thing.
Click on both those. I click on both those X's, both those check boxes, right?
Yeah, you want to roll both of the positions?
Right. Roll the whole combination, correct?
Okay, so click on both of them, then click close position.
Okay, I've got that.
And it's already multi-leg, so you should click on, multi-leg. Now, here, you got to click add a new position. Now, this may not go. You might have to do them individually, but let's see. When you want to roll over, so to the right, it says, you see a little blue button. It says add a new leg.
Yeah, I see that.
So then click on add a leg. It's going to ask you the same thing again, expiration, strike type. So since you're rolling, so you're going to roll the first one. You're going to, what's the expiration date?
Okay, we'll do the 23rd.
The 23rd?
Right.
7/23.
Correct.
What's the strike price?
Strike was one is $8, one's $8.50. So what do we do? Does it make a difference?
We're doing the $8.50 first.
Okay. Strike $8.50. Got it.
Do you want to put it at $8.50? The new one?
Right.
Okay. And then it's going to be a put, right?
Got it. Yeah. Correct.
Sell to open. And then we're going to do a quantity again, 5 contracts.
Yeah, that's right.
Okay, so that's that one. Then click on add a new leg again.
Okay.
And this is for the second one we're going to roll. So we're going to go also into 7/23 again.
You got it. Correct.
7/23.
And $8 and put.
Strike price going to be $8.
Right.
And again, a put, side, sell to open, and also 5 contracts, right?
Right.
So if you see the quote down there, the net quote, the the mid price is 42 cents.
Okay, now I'm not seeing that net quote. Now here I got to fit the quantity. That's my mistake. Okay, quantity. Okay, now net quote. Yeah, it's 42 cents for
Credit.
midpoint.
So you want to hit net credit.
Right.
What price you want to put it in?
Okay, here market net credit. 42. Okay.
And you want to put it in at 42?
Right.
Okay, then hit preview.
Okay. The midpoint just changed. I'm going to change that net credit to 40 cents.
Okay.
Now midpoint changed again. Now it's down to 33 cents. Let me put 32 cents then. Then I hit preview again. Well, it's bouncing all over, but I'll keep it there. It's 32. And then I got preview. It shows that credit midpoint right now 40, so I can hit submit.
Right.
Okay, now that was filled at 32 cents. Okay, that's done already.
So you rolled that position.
Yeah, let's go back to that SAV. That's not closing. Let me go back to the SAV again. Let me hit modify on that while we're sitting here. And let's go, I'm going to go 11.50 just to get this thing done with. Hit modify. Oh, now it was filled. Okay, that's done. Okay, Sava's done. Okay. And then if I want to roll one, like I've got Wish, W-I-S-H, I want to roll that one. So I click that box on Wish.
Right.
And then close position.
You want to click multi-leg so you can bring the other box up. Okay.
Oh, I see. Okay, okay, I got it. Okay.
So that brings you up the ticket to add the leg you want to roll into.
Correct. Expiration next week. Okay. Strike the same strike. Type again as put. And then we'd be sell to open. Okay. And quantity 11 again. Oh, market. I put net credit.
Right.
And put 0.30. Okay. Then preview. And then submit. Okay, that's submitted. If this helped you, please give me a like, give me a thumbs up, and subscribe to hit the bell button. You'll get all reports when my new videos come out. Thank you and God bless.